Welcome back to Andy's Guides. In today's video, we are diving into Mural. We will cover everything from setting up your first mural to collaborating with your team. Whether you're new to Mural or just looking to refresh your skills, this step-by-step guideline has you covered. So, let's begin. Mural is a popular online collaborative workspace designed to help teams brainstorm, plan, and design together in real time. Like any tool, it has its strengths and weaknesses. And first thing you gotta go is to the Mural website. That's gonna be www.mural.com. And from here, you have an option to log in if you have created your account here. Or if this is your first time, it's gonna be clicking the sign up free option. Okay? After logging in, you just want to wait for it. And then you see you have options here to enter your work email or your business. You can also use your personal email. Now, you also have an option to sign up with your Google or your Microsoft. All right, so we're going to use the Microsoft account. And from here, I just need to enter my credentials. So you do that as well. All right. In my case, that's going to be andyguide@outlook.com. Just follow the on-screen instructions. All right. Now it's loading. Just wait for it. Obviously, accept the terms and conditions. Now here, while it's loading up, you have the main canvas. This is the area where you will create and organize content. And just click on the close here. Now, navigating the Mural interface, you see this is going to be the title of the Mural board. Maybe let's rename that as Mural, just like that. And of course, on the left side is the toolbars, okay? This is the various tools like sticky notes, text, shapes and connectors, templates, images, text boxes, shapes and connectors. Now, for the first thing, I'm going to upload an image. You can simply click on import image on your computer. You can use Jiffy, Unsplash, and there's a lot that you can choose from. But I'm going to go to the import images. And of course, I'm choosing my computer. Now, the image has been loaded. So you have multiple options that you can choose from here. You see, on the upper right corner, you can put in a timer. All right. Basically, you can add more content to your mural like sticky notes. For example, this one. You can add square, rectangle, circle. You can select a color. For example, I'm going to be choosing the yellow. Right here, you can drag this sticker down here. Maybe put in some text. Right here. And there's a lot that you can choose. All right, you can choose different color. And of course, you can also choose the text boxes. On the upper right corner, you can add the timer. For example, this is very good. For example, if you have a scheduled deadline during conversations, meetings, or workshops or seminars. This gives the sense of urgency for multiple collaborators or freelancers if you're working for a special project or within a task. Okay. Now the voting is done. For example, you see who can end voting. You can put in sticky notes and any member within the name of session. For example, you're planning to upgrade to a different software or migrating to a different platform. The voting session is one of the handy tool for you while you are working here on Mural. Now, the next is the laser pointer. For example, you're discussing something here. This makes it interactive, all right? If you're discussing and you wanted to highlight something here, you might want to do that. For example, I'm highlighting the eyes of Andy and then Mural, excuse me. Now, just look on that, and then the custom toolbar is this. If you wanted to show the templates, shapes, and documents, so these are personal preferences that you can add to make your dashboard intuitive and easier to navigate, right? The outline is in the upper right corner where you can organize this mural so you and collaborators can easily navigate around, all right? The next are the comments. For example, if you're working with your team and they have like a feedback for the present task, they might want to do that, such as brainstorming, project planning, or retrospective. So there's a lot. Now, on the upper right corner is going to be your profile. We're not going to deal with that. But here, instead, we're going to hover to the templates. Now, if you're not sure where to start, use one of the Mural's many templates. Now, templates are pre-designed layouts for various purposes, such as brainstorming, you see, strategize, plan, prioritize, design, present, reflect, and connect. So there's a lot that you can choose here. For example, we're going to choose the strategize. When you click on preview, all right, to see if this is going to be the template that you're going to use, and you feel like it's really good, you have two options. You can simply copy and share a link, and what will happen is the link copied, and you can send it to the email to invite people or collaborators here on Mural. Or you can simply click on use template, and what will happen is it would be forwarded here. After choosing the template, you can customize it by adding or removing elements. So there's a lot that you can do. For example, this strength right here, or the weaknesses, it depends. You can also use connectors here on this section. And then you also have an option for exporting. You see on this one, you can download a PDF file, PNG file, HTML data files, CSV, which is going to be for another video. All right, so you can choose all content or just a selection. You can also choose the outline, and of course, just click on the download. All right, so there's a lot that you can work with the Mural here. Press on escape so that you would be now the thunder icon here is going to be the actions. The shortcut is Control+I. You see, you have an option to create, organize, facilitate, open, and learn, and that's going to be for the sharing with others. All right, of course, if you plan to invite collaborators here so you can share your murals with others by generating a public link, you might gonna click on escape, and that's going to be on the upper right corner when you can see the chat and activity. This is really essential for, you know, people here that you're working with, collaborators. They can vote, they can move and navigate, and they can map. So there's a lot that you can work with. And of course, the one of the best things about Mural is the options. You see, you can duplicate Mural, find and replace, publish as template. To do that, you see, gonna be have an option here. If you feel the Mural you've created has value, you might want to do that. Of course, you have an option to Mural info right here, and you also have an option to go to the home and go to your dashboard. When you do that, you would be forwarded here at the home section. Now, there's a lot that you can work with within your dashboard. You can add a new mural if you want it. Just click on the plus button here. And of course, this mural will be visible to all members in your workspace. Of course, all members can access every mural, but the thing is, if you wanted to have no limitations and access all the features and tools here, you might want to click on upgrade. But here, this is very important to see if you can gauge and test waters if Mural is the right platform for you. In the free plan, you have 3 murals and unlimited members and have all these percent advantages. If you wanted to scale up to a Team Plus, you're gonna have unlimited murals to collaborate within your team, and that's gonna be $9.99 per month. All right, for the business, I highly suggest you contact one of the Mural's sales professionals so they can book a schedule of you to have a demo and one-on-one call or meeting so that you can gauge if planning to business is the right plan for you. Otherwise, if you have any more questions about Mural, you might want to get into the help section, the help center, and give them an email inquiries. All right, and thanks for tuning into Andy's Guides. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and do not forget to hit that subscribe button to stay updated with all the latest content. I'll see you in the next guide.